Can't figure out how to record audio on your Apple Watch? After watching this video, you can do it anytime without your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to record audio on your Apple Watch. So let's get started. First, open up the Voice Memos app on your Apple Watch. You'll see a red circle icon. Tap on it. The app will show you a timer and audio waveforms. That indicates your voice is recording. Speak clearly into the microphone on your Apple Watch. When you finish recording, tap the red square icon to stop this. After stopping, the recording will be automatically saved. And here you can see the recorded audio. If you swipe right, you will get a rename button. Tap on it. Now type anything to set a new name. Then tap done. Here it is renamed. Now if you swipe left, you will get a delete button. If you want to delete this record, tap on it. Now again to tap to confirm. And that's how you can record audio on your Apple Watch. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye for today.